Hey guys, it's Tim with Irvin here. Welcome to our multiple time frame system. So we are gonna be doing on today's video the following pairs. We're gonna go ahead and check USDCHF, GBPUSD, USDJPY. We are gonna be analyzing gold. Gold was one of the most requested pair, and also two traders sent me a message, Irvin, make sure you add EURUSD back again. So this is trading our Forex Trading advanced technical analysis here in our Forex market, so including all those pairs that I just mentioned. So stay with me to the end, guys. Even if you follow one, two, or all pairs that I just told you that we're gonna go ahead and review. So hopefully this video is gonna make sense. So let's go ahead and start with the very first pair of the day, and that is USDCHF. Boom! Pay close attention what the market is doing here, guys. Look, guys, first thing first, always double check your time frame. Your time frame will give you the answer that you are looking for. Look at here on the 4 hours. What is the 4 hours saying? 4 hours is saying that we are in a buy position, and a daily time frame is telling us that we are still selling versus going bullish. So that means the market right now is giving us a reversal. So if you do not know how to trade reversal, please let me know in the comment below, and I will make sure that I will teach you. Okay, so this coming Tuesday, guys, we are gonna have a new guest coming in. He will be doing a 101. So if you want to participate on this coming week 101 for free, please let me know. Send me a private telegram. The link is on the description of this video, and we are gonna go ahead and hand it over to you. All right. All right, so another thing that we need to see, guys, is we need to look for our multiple time frame. A multiple time frame is letting us know here that we are selling USDCHF. Look at what our TW Sniper entry is saying. It's also confirming that that sell is still valid. So look at that beautiful trend here. Market here is giving us a sell position right as we speak. So therefore, so what is the meaning of this 4 hours here telling us that we are in a buy position? So here it is. So market is giving us, here's our multiple time frame. Multiple time frame is letting us know that we are doing, what do you guys think this buy position here represent, guys? What do you think it represent? Go ahead, type it in the comment below, guys. Let me know. That is what? A pullback. That's exactly what 4 hours is doing. 4 hours is giving us a pullback. So market right now as we speak is giving us the pullback. So this is my understanding for this coming week. Pullback still valid. It will come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level. Why? Because there's previous multiple touches in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and next one that is coming here. What is gonna happen from here, guys? This is what I'm expecting to see here. I'm expecting to see here our red arrow to come in and give us confirmation to make money going down, because the trend here is selling. So I'm looking for this sell here coming and retesting your 61.8 Fibonacci. Then it's gonna do a small reversal. By then the week is over, guys. The week is gonna be over. We are gonna be doing a soon 101 this coming Tuesday. So if you guys want to participate, make sure you send me a private telegram or comment below and say, Irvin, add me to your private 101, and you will be added. There's no charge for it. So but we're gonna be putting this video on our membership, so like that you can review it anytime you want. All right, fair enough. Let's move on to the next pair of the week. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is USDJPY. Boom! Look at this beautiful. This beautiful pair, guys. First thing first, why are you supposed to be looking here? Look at your dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer of what is happening. Look at what the dashboard is saying. The dashboard is saying the 4 hours all the way to 50-minute are selling, and the in your daily time frame here, it is going up. So we are contradicting ourselves here, right? So that means, guys, I want you to analyze this one. Look at this one. Multiple time frame is letting us know here that we are in a buy position. Our TW sniper entry also confirming. Look at this buy, 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 and buy. Look at the stairs, guys. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie. So market here is only going in one direction only, and USDJPY is still, unfortunately, still bullish. Still bullish. Listen to what I'm gonna say here, because this is gonna help you guys. Hopefully this is gonna help you. Look at here. Now, this is what I'm seeing, guys. Multiple time frame is here. That's what we have here on our 4 hours here. We have selling. Multiple time frame is selling. Look at our white multiple time frame arrow confirming. Look at our red arrow multiple time frame confirming. So we are selling. We are doing a pullback at this present time. So market right now is gonna come back and retest your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Then it's gonna come back to this high here once again. Then it's gonna give you a red arrow here, and guess what? Boom! Market will be giving us this coming week a long-term sell position. There's a lot of pullbacks on the market, so please guys, pay attention to the market. If you don't know how to trade, let me know in the comment below, because I need to know that you understanding what I'm saying here, okay? All right, perfect. All right, guys, one thing before we move on to the next pair is very important, guys. Never ever trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky. If you don't know how to trade, let me know in the comment below, and I will make sure that I teach you how to look for setup and so on. Or you can come in and join our Zoom class that is coming this coming week. Okay, now let me show you another pair that I think is very valuable to you guys. Stay with me to the end, guys. I'm gonna give you gold, and also I'm gonna give you EURUSD. So we will be discussing the key factor that affect this currency, providing you with a key indicator using our multiple time frame, so you can use to make a better trading decision trading with our multiple time frame system. Oh, yeah. All right, let's move on to that next pair. The next pair that I have for you, it is GBPUSD. Boom! Look at what GBPUSD is doing, guys. Oh my goodness. So market here, it is selling, guys. It is still selling. This is what I'm expecting to see here, guys. Look at here. Look at the dashboard. 4 hour daily and 4 hours are telling us that we are doing what? Look at here. We got red folders. Both of them are red. So that means the market is still selling, guys. I'm not seeing anything else that is gonna give me a heart attack and be like, you know what I'm saying? Let's go, guys. So I'm super excited. Look at here now. Look at what our multiple time frame is saying here. Multiple time frame is telling us that we are in a sell. Our brand new TW sniper entry is also telling us the market right now on Friday was still selling. So this is my understanding, guys. Market's still gonna come back and retest your 0 Fibonacci level. Once again, it's gonna do a small pullback, coming in and retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Look at here. There is support, resistance, multiple touches in here. Look at here. Look at one more time. Look at here. How many times is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then market will continue selling down. So I'm seeing a lot of pullback. Like I said, guys, I don't know if you guys know how to trade pullback. If you do not know how to do it, please let me know in the comment below. Look, the goal here, guys, is to help you, to make you understand. But do me a favor, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, because you don't want to miss any video that we do make up. So if you want me to record a video or a pair that I'm not going through today, let me know in the comment below, or either send me a private telegram and I will make sure that I recorded video for you. Okay, if you want to start trading here on a forex market, guys, hopefully this video is for you, and it is for you, to be honest. By the end of this video, guys, you will be understanding the basic of our technical analysis to make a better decision when trading this virtual currency here on our forex trading channel. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that is, are you ready? Let's go! Woo! I'm super. And that is EURUSD. Woo! I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you guys, I'm super excited doing this for you. But look at what the dashboard is stating us here, guys. It's very important for you to always pay attention to the dashboard, guys. If I'm going too fast, let me know. If I'm getting too excited, just bear with me. When it comes for me to, do this weekly analysis, I always get super excited, guys. So stay with me, guys. Like I said, bear with me. It's just one thing that I get super excited, and I can't help it. Look at what the daily time frame is letting us know. The daily time frame is telling us that we are in a buy position, and the 4 hours is telling us that we are selling. So that means the market is contradicting. So if it's contradicting, do you know how to trade pullbacks? That is the question of the day, guys. That is the question of the week. If you do not know how to trade pullback, don't do it. That's why we are discussing, like I said, this key factor of whatever is gonna affect on this currency market, guys. We are providing you with a multiple time frame so you can understand and make a better decision trading here on our forex trading channel, guys. But look at here. So far we got a contradiction, right? So now let's pay attention to the multiple time frame. Multiple time frame is saying that we are in a buy position. Look at what our TW sniper entry is saying. It's saying that we are in a buy position. Look at what our Y multiple time frame is also confirming. It's saying that we are in a buy position here. Boom, beautiful, guys. So right now, if the market is in a buy position, like it's saying here, so what do you think this sell position here represents? Because this is telling us that we are selling. So that means the market is doing a pullback. So pullback is over, to be honest, it's almost over. So this is what I'm saying here. Market will come back once again to our 23.6 Fibonacci, guys, and EURUSD will be in a buy position coming up and retesting your 50 Fibonacci level. Why? Because there's multiple time frame previously in this level here, and the market will do a small reversal. Anyway, all we're seeing here is the market right now, it is in a buy position, and SEC that is doing a pullback. What do you guys think, guys? Is EURUSD too confusing for you? Is EURUSD making sense? What is it, guys? What is it? Let me know in the comment below, guys, because this is for you, okay? Oh, yeah. Perfect. Don't trade pullback if you don't know, because you will be blowing your account, and you don't want to be at the end of the week, oh my God, I don't have no more money. And you will be crying. All right, let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is one of the most requested pair in this channel here, and that is gold. Stay with me, guys. Let's go. Pay close attention what gold is doing. Look at the dashboard, guys. If you don't have multiple time frame, you are missing a huge opportunity on the market. Look at what the dashboard is telling us. It's telling you already the market right here is selling. Look now, let me analyze, let me break it down for you, because this is for you, and you don't want to get punched in the face when there is opportunity that you are missing, cashing on this money here. So this is what I'm seeing here. Multiple time frame is telling us that we are selling. Look at what TWE sniper entry is also saying. It's saying that we are selling. Look at our multiple time frame. Sell, 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 sell. Look at the stairs. selling, 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 selling. What is the trend doing? Boom! Trend is selling. What is the dashboard saying? The dashboard is saying that we are selling. So that, go ahead, give me a round of applause, guys, because this is freaking awesome. And we should be celebrating, to be honest. Now, pay close attention what I'm gonna say here. So we are selling, right? So market will come back once again, retesting your 0 Fibonacci level. The huge buy position, the pullback, to be honest, is coming back. It's gonna be this week, but fortunately the market here still gonna be pushing back to your 0 Fibonacci level, giving us another few more pips here, and then finally market will give us a pullback, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Why that level? Because there is previous multiple time frame touches in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a very key level area, and then boom, market will continue selling down, and by the end the week is gonna be over, guys. And I don't want you guys to miss any opportunity on the market, to be honest, at all. Don't miss any opportunity, guys, because like I say, you know, on this video we are reviewing the most tradable pair that a lot of traders trade, guys. So this is your advanced weekly forex trading, guys, trading here the week of September 19th to the 22nd. So our goal this week is to grab over 980 pips trading rtweforexsystem.com. So guys, if you guys want to participate on the Zoom call this coming Tuesday, send me a private telegram, send me a message, comment below on our YouTube channel. Let me know what I need to do to help you out. If I'm missing one of your pair, also I need to know. Okay, so once again, guys, I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. And God bless the world, God bless Ukraine, and God bless each and every one of your family. So hasta la vista, guys. See you on this coming Tuesday.